everyone, welcome back to Bioholic channel. I am your educator Orpita Vishwas and today I am going to discuss about the nervous and the circulatory system of cockroaches. So let's start. At first, discuss about the circulatory system. The circulatory system of cockroaches is open and lacunar type. The body cavity contains blood, so it is called as the hemocoel. It consists of a tubular heart, blood vessels, which is anterior aorta, and ill-defined blood spaces called sinuses, and blood or hemolymph or fat bodies. So, the first part of the circulatory system is the heart. It is a long, elongated tube containing 13 chambers which are separated by deep constrictions. The opening of each chamber is guarded by the valves. There is a presence of special type of muscle in between the cardiac spaces. It is called as the alari muscles, which helps the heart to construct. Now the blood sinuses. It is two membranous horizontal partitions into three wide flattened sinuses, and the dorsal pericardial sinus contain the heart, the middle perivisceral sinus contain the gut, and the ventral perineural sinus contain the nerve cord. Partition between the pericardial and the perivisceral sinus is known as the dorsal diaphragm, and between the perivisceral and perineural sinus is known as the ventral diaphragm. A pair of a fan-like triangular alari muscle is present in the blood sinuses. Now the hemolymph. It is clear plasma, contains corpuscles like cells which are hemocyte. They are devoid of any respiratory pigment. This contains 70% water, amino acid, uric acid, protein, sugar, fats and salts. Now the fat bodies. It is large white diffused material which are divided into numerous flattened solid lobules that fills most of the perivisceral sinus part. It is bounded by fine membranous covering that forms lobules which contain cells like trophocytes, myocytes and oncocytes. It is mainly analogous to the liver of the vertebrates. Now the circulation mechanism. The pumping force of heart propels the hemolymph and causes pulsation of the heart. Respiratory movement of the abdomen area of cockroaches causes contraction of the alari muscles that increases the force of the contraction of heart. The blood is pumped firstly through the pericardial sinus to the heart, and this contraction happens from behind to the forward, and this causes the systole phase. The next phase is the diastole. In between diastole there is short interval which are called as diastasis. The heart beats 50 times per minute. So let's discuss the cycle. At first, systole takes place, so the ostia present in the heart closes and the blood is gone to the head sinus. Then backward to the thorax and the abdomen. Then the blood goes to the perineural sinus, then the perivisceral sinus through the pores of ventral diaphragm, and then the blood goes to the pericardial sinus through pores of the dorsal diaphragm. Then the diastole of heart took place and blood comes to the heart through the ostia. Now let's move on to the nervous system of cockroach. It have mainly three parts. The central nervous system consists of brain or supraesophageal ganglion. The brain give off a pair of short, stout cords, the circumesophageal connectives, and that intercircle the esophagus and passes downwards and backwards over the subesophageal ganglion that is situated below the esophagus. From the subesophageal ganglion, a double ventral nerve cord passes backwards into the thorax, which bears 3 ganglia in the thorax area and 6 ganglion in the abdomen area. The next one is the peripheral nervous system, that is consist of nerves which are given off from the ganglia so as to innervate all part of the body. The last one is the sympathetic or somatogastric visceral nervous system, which consists of a frontal ganglia which is situated on the dorsal side of the esophagus in the head. From these ganglia, a median unpaired recurrent nerve reaches the visceral ganglia situated on the crop. Various nerve branches are given off from the visceral ganglia, and the frontal ganglia is joined with the central nervous system by many nerves which connect the circumesophageal commissures. Now the sense organs. The proprioceptors, which helps in hearing, the thigmoreceptors, which helps in touch, olfactory receptors helps in smell sensation, and gustatory helps in taste sensation. The compound eyes consist of 2000 hexagonal facets or ommatidium. These have corneal lines formed by the transparent cuticle. A pair of corneagen cells forming a corneal lens is present. Refractive crystalline cone enclosed by 4 elongated conical cells, which is called as verticella. Distal pigment cells, retinula, having 8 cells that forms rhabdome, and basal pigment cells and basement membrane are present in the compound eyes of the cockroaches. So that's all for today. If you have any queries, please comment below, or you can also send your queries to our Gmail account. Please give it a big thumbs up if you find this video helpful and share it. And if you are new on our channel, please subscribe it and turn on the bell icon for further future notifications. We will meet on next Monday with the last part of this topic, the reproductive system of cockroaches and the excretory and endocrine system of cockroaches. So, bye.